Hello, Thrifting Atlanta YouTube family. My name is Corinne Duclasel. Welcome to the channel if this is your first time tuning in. If you love content related to thrift shopping, traveling, just my adventures in Atlanta, then this is definitely the channel for you. Welcome back to my subscribers. I'm always happy when you stop by to watch my videos. In today's video, I am packing for a vacation. Hubby and I are celebrating 6 years. This is our 6-year anniversary, and we are going to Tulum. I'm super excited. This will be our very first time going to Mexico. So it's always a joy to experience these things together. So he's never been, I've never been, so this will be our first time going. So what I wanted to do in this video is to show you the pieces that I have packed for our 4-day trip to Tulum, Mexico. I will admit I am not the type of traveler that goes out and buys like an entire wardrobe, to vacation, because when I'm on vacation, I'm looking for the thrift stores. I want to shop. So I make sure that I leave enough room in my luggage or bring additional luggage for my shopping trip. So, of course, the most important part of the trip is spending time on the beach. So one of the outfits that I have is this beautiful, very tropical, you can see. So this is actually like a 3-piece. I got this from one of my girlfriends. She has a boutique called Styles by Lachey. So this is the bikini bottom, very, very vibrant. And then this is actually the top. So it comes off the shoulder and it's like a bikini. Hope you can see it's like a bikini top. And then this is the skirt that it comes with. So it's a very long, like a maxi skirt with these these exaggerated side slits. Okay, so I wore this before. This will be my second time wearing this piece. So I'm gonna wear it till the wheels fall off. So this is one of my swimsuits. My second swimsuit option, this one I did thrift. It is brand new. So this one is like a one sleeve bikini top and then the bikini bottoms. Okay. So I love this. It's almost like an ombre. The brand is Icon Swim is the brand. And I got this from Salvation Army in Snellville. All right, so this is, now these are some swimsuits I've had. A little one piece. I like colors, so a little opening here in the front and then in the back. And this one I thrifted as well. This brand is Bar 3. Bar 3 is the brand of this one. And the last one is a Ralph Lauren. This one I thrifted as well. Little Ralph Lauren insignia there. Just a basic navy with ruching on the side. A little one piece. Now I do have my cover-ups. Majority of these are thrifted. This one I also got from Salvation Army. So it's a beautiful orange, and it's like that kind of like knit, how do they call this? Almost like a threaded. It is very long. It's like a little maxi dress all the way down, and it's a halter back. Yeah, so I'm going to pair this with the navy bathing suits. That's my plan for this one. And then I also have this white, like a lace duster. So I plan to pair this one with this swimsuit. Okay. And then I'll also pair that with this swimsuit as well. Okay. So those are my swimwear. Next, my little knockabout pieces. This is a little tank top. It is by Pretty Little Things. It's pink. I love it. Has like that lace up in the front and then also on the side. I thrifted this as well. Salvation Army. Salvation Army for the win, right? These are my little denim shorts that I love. They have a lot of stretch to it, and they are like booty girl. When you're in Mexico on vacation, that's what you wear, right? And then So I plan to wear this together, right? This is a look here. And then with the same shorts, I have this little, it's like a little high-low mini dress. This is by Free People, I believe. Yeah, this is Free People. I love the little cutouts on the side. And this one I got from Hand Me Ups. Hand Me Ups is a consignment store in Powder Springs. All right, so that's my little knockabouts there. And now my dresses. I have 4 dresses. This one is the Gabrielle Union infamous, it's like watercolors, the draping. It is such a gorgeous dress. I wore this to a wedding in Jamaica 2 years ago, so 2022. And I bought this dress off of Poshmark. Yeah, I wanted this dress so bad. Google search, and I found it on Posh. This one I paid about $100 for it. Then this is a dress. The brand is Moon River. So it has like a little slip that goes with it. And it's like a little crochet kind of see-through dress. I could probably wear this as a cover-up too on the beach. So this one I got from Attic Treasures in Chamblee. Attic Treasures in Chamblee. So this one was thrifted. This is a Zara dress. Love the off-white color, plunging neckline, ruching right where I need it, right by the waist and the stomach and the fupa. Nice length. This one I got from Goodwill in Stone Mountain. Brand new with tags. It still has the Zara tags. And then the last dress is this is from the brand Lulu's. It is a maxi dress with the plunging neckline, and you can cross it in the back. And it's very light and flowy. Everything that I need for Mexico. Okay, so I have 4 dresses. I have my little knockabout, my swimwear, and now for the shoes. So for my shoes, I decided, so these are Circus by Sam Edelman. Loving the colors. They're flat. Just everything that I need for vacation, giving all kind of vacation vibes. I can wear it with the dresses that are like the non-print dresses, the ones that are just have the one color. I can, this will be the pop of color that it needs. And then I have this neutral, where's my other side to the shoe? Well, it's somewhere. So this is by BCBG Max Azaria, like a little gladiator sandal, again, flat, straps up the ankle. So that can go with everything else. My knockabout on the beach or by the pool are these Birkenstocks. These are the plastic, white, perfect color. This I thrifted from, I believe, Salvation Army as well. Okay, so those are the pieces that I have selected from my closet to pack for my trip to Tulum. Let me know which ones are your favorite. Let me know any tips. Oh, the most important, a hat. I do have my my floppy hat. This one I got from Southern Thrift in Norcross, Georgia. This is a polo, actually a Ralph Lauren hat, simply a divine. So I will be wearing this to make sure that I am safe from the sun rays. Okay, so this is very important to bring for your beach vacation. So I'd love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments which looks are your favorite. Any tips you have for traveling to Tulum, please let me know. And I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.